Want to unlock massive growth on YouTube in 2025? Whether you're trying to get more views, gain more subscribers, or increase your engagement, YouTube SEO is the secret weapon. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest SEO strategies that are working right now. Stick around to the end for a bonus growth hack that could 10x your channel this year. YouTube's algorithm has evolved, and creators who adapt fast are seeing explosive growth. If you're still using old tactics from 2022 or 2023, you're probably missing out on millions of impressions. So let's break down what is actually working today, starting with the most important factor. Your video title is your first impression. And in 2025, YouTube's AI is prioritizing contextual relevance more than ever. Use long tail keywords like how to grow on YouTube in 2025. YouTube SEO tips for small channels. Rank YouTube videos fast. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Google Trends to find what people are actually searching for. And here's a pro tip for you. Put your keywords at the beginning of your title. For example, YouTube SEO 2025, grow your channel fast. Now, let's talk about video description. This is prime real estate for YouTube SEO. The algorithm reads your description and understands what your video is about. So make sure you include your target keyword in the first two lines, add related keywords and semantic keywords throughout. Use full sentences so it's natural for both humans and AI. Here's an example. In this video, I'll share the best YouTube SEO strategies in 2025 to help you get more views, grow your channel, and increase your engagement fast. Then add timestamps, links to your other videos, and a CTA to subscribe. Tags still matter, but not as much as before. Use them to support your main keyword and cover misspellings or synonyms. Example, YouTube SEO 2025. Get views on YouTube. How to rank videos. YouTube algorithm 2025. Grow YouTube channel fast. And don't forget hashtags in your title or description. Use 2 to 3 relevant hashtags like hashtag YouTube SEO, hashtag grow on YouTube, hashtag small YouTuber tips. You can have the best SEO in the world, but if no one clicks, it won't matter. In 2025, click-through rate or CTR is still king. Your thumbnail should be bold and simple. Use high contrast colors. Include 1 to 3 words maximum. Create curiosity and emotion. Here's a bonus for you. Test multiple thumbnails with A/B tools like TubeBuddy or the one that's inside of YouTube now to find out which performs best. YouTube rewards watch time and audience retention like crazy. Here's how to keep viewers hooked. Use a strong hook in the first 15 seconds. Break content into sections with on-screen titles. Add B-roll, zoom, and text animation every 15 seconds. Ask viewers to comment, like, and subscribe in the middle of the and at the end of the video. The more engagement your video gets, the higher YouTube ranks it. It's all connected. Part 6. Playlists, end screens, and internal linking. Want to boost your session time and keep viewers on your channel? Use playlists with keyword-rich titles like YouTube Growth 2025. End screens that suggest your best performing videos, and pinned comments with links to related videos. These tell YouTube that your channel offers a valuable viewing experience, which boosts your overall channel authority. Part 7, Bonus Growth Hack. Here's the bonus I promised. AI generated metadata. Use tools like ChatGPT or Keyword Tool IO to generate optimized video title, description, scripts, even tag. Combine this with YouTube's AI auto chapters, and you're giving the algorithm everything it needs to understand and recommend your video. Now, you've got the 2025 YouTube SEO playbook ready to use. If you learned something new, smash that like button, drop a comment, and with your channel name so we can support each other. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to grow on YouTube in 2025. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep creating and keep ranking.